Hi, welcome back to Missing Chemistry. This is Electron Configuration Magnesium lesson. Okay, when we look at the element magnesium is the 12th element on the periodic table. So its atomic number is going to be 12, all right? And the atomic mass number of magnesium, of course, is going to be 24. Since it is the atomic number 12, it has 12 protons. And to be electrically neutral, it'd have to have 12 electrons. What about the AMU? Well, we go AMU minus the number of protons equals the number of neutrons. So that's going to be 24 minus 12, which will give me 12 neutrons. Hey, it's pretty snarly. Everything's looking pretty good. So before we do electron configuration, again, let's review. S can hold 2 electrons, P can hold 6 electrons, D can hold 10 electrons, and F can hold 14 electrons. And again, we're going to use the off-ball principle, which is the diagonal rule. Start at the top of this slide right here, and we're going to follow these red, orange, yellow arrows down until we run out of electrons. So we have 12 electrons that we need to go through. So let's go ahead and look at this. Let's do this now. So let's do electron configuration. So we go 1s2. We've used up 2 electrons. Come down through here. Now we use 2s2. There's 2 more electrons we used up. 2p6, and then we go down to 3s2. So 2p6, 3s2. Hey, guess what? We just ran out of electrons. So we're finished with that part. Let's look at our orbital notation next, which is using Hund's rule. Remember that S only has 1 sub-level, P has 3 sub-levels, D has 5 sub-levels, and F has 7 sub-levels. So let's look at this 1s first. Up arrow, down arrow. Okay, good job. Let's look at 2s. Up arrow, down arrow. Excellent. 2px, 2py, 2pz. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty snarly, huh? And then we go 3s. Up and down. That's it for that part of it. What about our noble gas notation? All right, what's the nearest noble gas to magnesium? Not the one after it, but the one before it. And it's going to be neon, right? So we're going to block off neon right here. And then we're going to put in our last valence shell. Which one's the valence shell? Right here, see? It's our last possible shell. 3s2. Oh, that's pretty cool, okay? So now let's look at our quantum notation. Remember, we have 4 quantum numbers: N, L, M, and S. Now, looking at a periodic table, you will see that magnesium is in the 3rd energy level, the 3rd period. So that number goes 3 there. Also, if you look at the magnesium on the periodic table, you will notice it's in the S block, right? So your L value is going to be 0. And since it's in the S block, our M value is also going to be 0. What about our S spin number? Is it going to be 1/2 positive or 1/2 negative? Well, to determine that, you have to look at the last arrow right here. And look, it's going down. So it's going to be 1/2 negative. Well, that's it for this lesson, guys. You be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Missing Chemistry.